Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I begin with this beautiful quote. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift of God, which is why we call it is the present.
Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Anurekha Ghosh and Company, in association with Natmandir, Kolkata, curated and presented 2 days International Classical Dance Festival, Riwayat, reliving the past memories in the city of Kolkata, reviving the historic era of Kolkata dance. Riwayat 2019 featured soul-stirring performances by celebrated, award-winning dancers and choreographers of international repute from India and abroad. Outstanding young, upcoming and emerging dancers and established dancers who are making their mark in today's cultural scene.
Ex-Governor Shyama Kumar Singh, Srimati Tapati Chaudhary, Srimati Durga Maria ji.
But मैं कहना चाहूँगी, I just want to say to Anurekha, and first time I am coming to teach here the children, and this is Anurekha Ghosh to you. Please give her big clap. Such a beautiful dancer, soul, heart. For one artist is very difficult to help other artists, because every artist want कि I will do for myself, but very less artists had this feeling to bring other dancer and artists to teach, to perform. Thank you so much, Anurekha. Thank you, lovely. God bless you. And please.
The vision for this festival is to look at classical tradition with an innovative mind, to explore the past, to create new possibilities with an imaginative future, to achieve excellence and virtuosity in the rich classical tradition and dance forms. The next edition of Riwayat is coming very soon in the city of Kolkata.